Hi sir, I'm done with the assignment but facing some issues with deploying the backend part of the code. I'm using Heroku for deployment but facing some issues. So in this video I tried to explain what I did in this assignment. The first part is authentication. In authentication, as you said, I added both password, email and name, and in sign-in part I added both email and password. In sign-in, I am storing these details like a name, email and password in database. Like in my case, I am using MongoDB Atlas as a database. I am storing these details in that. And in sign-in, like once the user gets signed in, the JWT is storing at local storage, and which indicates that the user is authenticated. So once he is authenticated, he can access the login details. Like in our project, and we are adding the questions, so that can be answered by the admin or the backend. In backend, you can write directly those answers. Okay, let me give one demo. Here I will write the login credentials. Here once a user gets signed up, he will get an alert message above saying that he is signed up, and given the link also to sign in. So once he sign up, he will get this message, and he will get alert message like please sign in. And once he click this sign in, he will redirect to the sign in page, or he can go directly sign in, or he can press here also. So once he press that on sign in, he will redirect to the sign in page. So here I will sign in the user. I entered the login credentials, and once he press on the submit button, he will get signed in. So if he wrote any wrong details, wrong credentials, he will get a alert message saying that it's a wrong password doesn't match, password doesn't exist, like credentials are not exist in the database, something like that. He will get as an alert above that text, but that particular block of signing. This is the main part. In this we can add the questions. As you said, we can add our questions in this particular box. And once user press on this add question, the question will be added to the below list. Let me tell the same thing. Let me show with the example. What is your name? The user type like this, and once he press the enter button or this add question, the question will be get added to the below list. See here, the question is added, and just beside to that question, when the time also, like as you said, the user added the question just a few seconds ago, something like this also going to display. And you can add the other question also serially like this, and these questions also storing at the database. And for this also I am using MongoDB Atlas only. For this like for category and user credential, it is creating the different documents inside the same cluster of that particular MongoDB Atlas. And yes, I am done with the assignment explanation, and I will share I'm sharing the GitHub link just below to this video link, and I will share the actual deployed link very soon once I am done with the assignment deployment at Heroku.